Ahlan wa sahlan wa marhaba. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Mandevu.com. Somo la leo. How to jumpstart a vehicle with a dead battery. Jumpstarting a car involves using a vehicle with a working battery to provide a temporary power boost to a car with a dead battery, allowing the engine to start. So you should go to your bonnet and open the bonnet. So now I open mine here. So the bonnet is now open. So on the batteries, we have the positive terminal and the negative terminal here. So you can see this one is the negative terminal, while this one here is the positive terminal. So let me show you the sign. So here is the sign. You can see positive. So every time you are jump starting a dead vehicle, you should always make sure that you have the jumpers, the red positive wire and the black negative wire. So bring the vehicle with the working battery closer to the vehicle with the dead battery. Ensure both vehicles are parked safely facing each other and do not touch each other. Ensure the gear lever is in parking or neutral position. So you go straight to your vehicle's battery and you'll see that your battery has two terminals. So you have the positive terminal here and the negative terminal here. So you take the red wire, you clip it on the positive terminal. You take the red wire and clip it on the positive terminal. That red positive wire should go straight to the vehicle with the dead battery and should go straight to the positive terminal of that battery. So again, you come to the negative terminal side of the battery, you clip your wire there, and then you head on to the vehicle with the dead battery. You clip that wire on the negative terminal. Now, once you've done that, you now start the engine of the vehicle with the working battery, and after the engine starts to run, you go straight and start the engine of the vehicle with the dead battery, and automatically the engine will start running. Finally, from there, you disconnect the wires attached to the positive terminals, and then the last one, you disconnect the wires attached to the negative terminals. So up to that point, we come to the end of today's lessons. So thank you so much for watching, and please remember to subscribe to my channel and also like this video. Ahlan wa sahlan wa marhaba.